This is the first time using my Nama M1 plant-based milk maker to make infused oils, and this is incredible. So a lot of people have asked me questions about the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker, and I want to show you all its versatility. Today I'm showing you how to make a delicious refined sugar-free mango lemonade, infused thyme garlic oil, and an almond oat plant-based milk, all using the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Today I basically just want to talk really quickly about the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker and talk about the machine, what it does, its price point, and all of the benefits that it offers. I just want to say really quickly, today is the very last day of Nama's Black Friday Cyber Monday sale where you can get the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker for $60 off. It goes down from $400 to $340, and all of their other products are currently on their Cyber Monday sale as well, but it ends at midnight. You can use code ITELEATS M1, that's ITALEATS M1, and the link in the description box for your discount code. So the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker is a milk making machine that makes plant-based milks. I've used it to make pistachio milk, pecan milk, almond milk, oat milk. I've used it to make so many different types of delicious milk, cashew milk. I've used it to make strawberry milk, chocolate milk. It's absolutely incredible. But a lot of people have been asking me, so what's up with the price point? Why is it priced so high? And is it only used to make plant-based milks? And to that I have to say, no, you do not only use it to make plant-based milks. The Nama M1 plant-based milk maker can also make infused oils and different juice recipes, and it is absolutely incredible. I've noticed a lot of people who are like sharing the milk maker have not shown the versatility of the machine, so I want to come here today and show you all just how incredible the machine is and how versatile it is as well. The Nama M1 can also be used to make immunity shots like with ginger and lemon and a lot of other different and very incredible ingredients. You can also use it to make flavored water. If you like to have infused water, you can do that, and you can even use it to make soups. Really quickly, I want to answer a couple of you guys' questions before getting into the video. First question was, does it only make nut milk? Does it only make plant-based milk? No, like I said, it can also make infused oils, and it can make shakes, protein shakes, and it can even make a couple juice recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I'm going to make a delicious mango lemonade and an infused garlic thyme oil. A lot of other people have also asked why the top doesn't just come as an attachment for the J2. This is a very good question, but the reason is simply because the motor of the J2 is nowhere near as strong as the motor of the M1. Because the M1 has specific technology for making plant-based milks, it has very intense emulsion properties. Basically, the Nama J2 spins at 45 revolutions per minute, which is basically the amount of times it goes in a circle, versus the M1, it spins at about 10,000 revolutions per minute. This is why we are able to get such creamy, such delectable barista style plant-based milk in the Nama M1. It's a lot faster, and it's extremely high speed, and it's literally straining it for you as it's blending it, doing two things at once. So that is one of the reasons why the top of the M1 cannot go as an attachment for the J2. It's just they do two completely different things. A lot of people have asked, why is it so expensive? We know that with inflation, everything is also getting expensive, so is it worth it to have another machine and make that investment to have it in our house? And to that I have to say, I recognize the price point of the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker, but let me point out a lot of the benefits. Like I said, it makes a barista style plant-based milk. I have made plant-based milk in a lot of juicers and in blenders before, and I'm being very honest with you guys, I have not gotten anything close compared to the style and the quality that I have gotten in the M1, because like I said earlier, it goes around 10,000 revolutions per minute. It's going extremely fast, and it's blending, it's emulsifying the same time that it is blending. So it's just making such high quality milk. Like seriously, you can make coffee creamers in this. It is very, very high quality. Next thing I have to say is that there is a 15-year warranty. I've checked out other plant-based milk makers, and a lot of them either have no warranty or they only have a warranty of about maybe 1 year. 15 years versus 1 year is a huge difference, because I had literally somebody comment commented on one of my videos talking about the M1, saying that that's very amazing that it has a 15-year warranty, because they had another milk maker and they said that literally their milk maker stopped working after 1 year from a different company. And would you believe it, they only had a 1-year warranty on the machine. So basically at that point they had to go buy another one. So I really have so much respect for Nama and the fact that they have a 15-year warranty. I would also like to point out that you can use the M1 as a blender. Like, you don't have to only use it to make plant-based milks. You can literally use it as a blender with anything you would have to strain. So if you want to make a juice, you can go ahead and put it in there, as long as you're chopping up your things small, because the strainer is fine. And I'm going to show you all just how well it blends the mango and the lemons to make a delicious mango lemonade. A lot of other people have also asked me, are you able to make soy milk in the Nama M1? Yes, you are able to make soy milk, but you have to cook the beans first. You're gonna have to soak them overnight, cook them, and then allow them to cool, and then you can go ahead and make your soy milk in the Nama M1. If you want more questions on how to make soy milk in the Nama M1, please leave a comment down below and I will answer all of your questions. I also want to point out that the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker is extremely easy to clean. It's super easy, super simple. Literally takes me 2 minutes every single time. And it also comes with a pulp pouch so that you can store your pulp in there and save it for later, whether you want to use it to make energy balls, whether you want to dehydrate it and turn it into like oat flour, coconut flour, almond flour. It is such an incredible machine. I love it. Let's go ahead and make some mango lemonade. So like I said before, I'm going to be making an infused oil with garlic, thyme, and avocado oil. I'm going to be making a delicious mango lemonade, sweeten it with maple syrup, and I'm going to show you all how I make my delicious almond oat plant-based milk. So let's get started with the mango lemonade. So my machine is nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. It says hello, all cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my lemon and my mango to make my lemonade. Make sure it goes in all nice. I'm gonna pour in my water. And now I'm going to go ahead and sweeten it with some maple syrup. Just a little tip. That being said, let's go ahead and close the top and make a delicious drink. Now the top is on. I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. All right, you guys, this is the delicious homemade mango lemonade. All right, go on now, mama. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some up in this very cute mocktail glass. And let's go ahead and pour it up and have a taste test. Doesn't that look gorgeous? That looks so pretty. All right, you guys, I have the Nama M1 right here. I have my delicious homemade mango lemonade that I made in my Nama M1 plant-based milk maker, but it's also like a juice maker blender. Let's taste it. This slaps. This is so delicious. That is so good. I wanted to make this just to be able to show you all that you are getting the most from your money. And like I said, a 15-year warranty is honestly crazy. 15-year warranty is just crazy. This is so delicious. I'm going to be using it to make lemonades from here on out. Yum. I love that. I just had to take another sip. Now that I've done that, let's go ahead and rinse it out and get ready to make our infused oil. I was washing the pulp catcher and I just wanted to show you all. It did such a magnificent job with the pulp. It's super dry, so you know that you got all of the juice out of your mango and everything. This is awesome. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and measure out some avocado oil. I would have preferred to use olive oil because I feel like that tastes a lot better when you're doing infused oil recipes. And I'm not going to use a lot today, mainly for the purpose because I do not have a whole lot of oil. Okay, so I'm gonna just have to use what my have. All right, so let's use about this much of avocado oil. I literally have to go buy some more when I go to the grocery store today. And then we'll have some fresh thyme, yummy. And we have a couple of garlic cloves. Let's go ahead and pour it up. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the oil in here. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my fresh thyme, put that in there. And then I've got my garlic cloves, pop those in there as well. So now I just put the lid on. All I have to do is click the button and watch it do its magic. All right, y'all, this is super exciting. It's finished. Now let's go ahead and open the spout and see what happened to it. Is it gonna measure properly? Okay, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Wow, yum. You guys, this smells incredible. It made like a whole lot of oil. I ended up putting a little bit more in it, but this smells so good. It's incredible. All right, you all, here we have it. This is the first time using my Nama M1 plant-based milk maker to make infused oils. And this is incredible. So it looks like this right now because it is emulsified, basically emulsion. And the reason why I can answer this is because in school, one of my classes is biology. Yes, my major is finance. Yes, biology has absolutely nothing to do with finance. Ask the United States education system, all right? But basically it looks like this because it has emulsified. It will look like a quote unquote normal oil after a little while. Let's give it a smell. But like I told you guys, it smells so good. It has such a delicious garlic scent. It's got a green tint from the thyme. This is going to make my food taste so nice. I feel like really good cooks, really amazing chefs love to use infused oils in their cooking. It really deepens the flavor, and this is incredible. Like, I'm really fangirling right now because this is super duper cool. Like I said, I promised a short video. Let's go ahead and clean the machine once more and go ahead and make our almond oat milk. Before I wash this, I want to show you all really quickly what the pulp looks like. It did an amazing job of breaking down that garlic. You can barely see it anymore. It really handled the thyme stem well, and if you guys could smell this, you would have seen it smells so nice. Alright, you all, here we are going to go ahead and make our plant-based milk. Let's go ahead and put the strainer in. Now let's go ahead and put in the ingredients for our plant-based milk. And you always want to make sure that your dates are pitted as well. Alright, you all, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my water. There's a little bit more than a cup, so I just put a little tip more than 3 cups, but of course never to cross the max line. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on. Put this right here, and are you ready? I actually have to put this a little bit under because if you guys do not know, when it comes to making oat milk, if you blend it for over 1 minute, it will become extremely slimy. And that's not just in the M1, that's if you're using a juicer, that's if you're using a blender. The key to making good oat milk is to blending it no more than 40 seconds. So right now we're gonna do 40 seconds, okay? And just click the button. Now, ta-da! Homemade plant-based milk. I love to see it. And now basically what it's doing is a reverse spin cycle. So it's getting out even more milk out there. So it's just making sure that the pulp gets super duper dry, and I love this feature that it has. All right, you all, so this is the third recipe for today. This is a homemade oat and almond milk. It's super creamy, as you can see. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. And I'm going to be using this to make my daily matcha. Una know say I love matcha. Alright. This will be good in the fridge for about 3 days. You can freeze it. I love to freeze it in ice cubes. So you can add it to smoothies if you want. I love to add these ice cubes to my matcha so it doesn't water it down. This was super easy to make. And that was how I wanted to show you all how versatile the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker is. Infused oils, mango lemonade, and plant-based milk. It doesn't get any better than that. Quick reminder that the Cyber Monday sale ends tonight at midnight. After that, it goes back to normal price. So if you want $60 off, go ahead and click on the link in the description box down below and use code ITALEATSM1 at checkout for $60 off. I love you all. Let me know you guys' thoughts on the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker. I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye!